We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive, expert-driven overview of the RockDove Men's original two-tone memory foam slipper. If you own this item, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. The RockDove Men's original two-tone memory foam slipper has quickly become one of the most talked about and best-selling slippers in the men's footwear category, with over 150,000 customer ratings and a consistent position near the top of Amazon's bestsellers list in men's slippers. This wide popularity is not without reason, as the slippers offer a blend of comfort, practicality, and affordability that appeals to a broad range of users seeking reliable indoor footwear. Let's begin with the core features that users repeatedly highlight in their reviews. The most praised aspect is the memory foam insole. Many customers describe the sensation as walking on clouds, with the foam molding to the contours of the foot and providing a pillow-soft feel. This makes the slippers ideal for relaxing after a long day or for those who spend a lot of time on their feet. The foam cushioning absorbs impact and offers a gentle, supportive cradle for the feet, making it a favorite for users who prioritize comfort above all else. 1, 2, 4, 5. The design of the RockDove slipper is intentionally simple and functional. The open-back, slip-on style is convenient for quick on and off use, which is perfect for those who need to step outside briefly to grab the mail or walk the dog. The fitted upper and back lip help to keep the slipper secure while walking, reducing the risk of it flopping off, which is a common issue with many slip-on slippers. The two-tone color scheme adds a subtle style element, making the slippers look more refined than basic house shoes. 1 pound 5. One of the standout features is the breathable waffle knit upper. This material is specifically designed to keep feet dry and odor-free, making the slippers an excellent option for individuals with sweaty feet or those who wear slippers for extended periods. The upper is made from 100% vegan materials and is machine washable, which greatly simplifies cleaning and maintenance. This is a significant advantage over traditional slippers that may retain odors or require special care. 1 for 4. The sturdy rubber sole is another aspect that receives positive feedback. It provides solid traction on both carpet and hard floors, reducing the risk of slips and falls. The sole is durable enough for light outdoor use, such as stepping out to the porch or driveway, without quickly wearing down. Users appreciate the flexibility of being able to move indoors and outdoors without changing footwear, and the anti-slip traction adds a layer of safety for older users or those with mobility concerns. 1, 2, 5. However, while the comfort and convenience are widely celebrated, there are some recurring critiques that potential buyers should consider. Sizing is a notable issue. Multiple reviewers have reported that the slippers can run small, particularly for those with wide feet. The manufacturer recommends sizing up for a better fit, and it is advised to consult the size chart carefully before purchasing. Some users found that the slippers felt snug initially, but broke in over time, while others struggled to find a perfect fit and had to exchange for a different size, 1, 2, 3, 5. Durability is another area with mixed opinions. While many users find the build quality satisfactory for the price, a minority have experienced the slippers wearing out faster than expected, especially with daily, heavy use. Reports of the memory foam losing its cushioning effect, the soft sole cover thinning, and the sides fraying after several months are not uncommon. For those seeking a long-lasting slipper for everyday wear, this may be a consideration, though the affordable price point often offsets expectations for longevity. 2, 3. The open-back design, while convenient, also presents a trade-off. Some users love the ease of slipping the slippers on and off, but others find that the lack of a full heel grip can make the slippers prone to slipping off, especially when walking up or down stairs. This can be a concern for those who require a more secure fit or plan to wear the slippers for extended periods. For users with specific foot support needs, such as those requiring arch support, the memory foam may not provide sufficient structure, and additional insoles or a different slipper style may be necessary. 3, 5. In terms of warmth, the RockDove slippers excel in colder environments. The memory foam and waffle knit upper combine to keep feet warm and cozy, which is ideal for winter months or homes with tile or hardwood floors. However, some users have found the slippers to be too warm during summer or in well-heated homes, which may limit their year-round appeal for those sensitive to heat. 2. Aesthetically, the slippers are generally well received. The two-tone design is modern and understated, making them suitable for a range of tastes. The slippers are available in multiple colors, allowing users to choose according to their preferences. The packaging is straightforward, though a few reviewers noted that the contents can be visible upon delivery, which may be a minor concern for those purchasing as a gift, too. Value for money is a recurring theme in positive reviews. Many users feel that the comfort and features offered by the RockDove slippers are exceptional given their affordable price. They're often described as a great investment for anyone looking to keep their feet comfortable and supported at home without spending a premium. Some reviewers have even purchased multiple pairs for themselves or as gifts for family members, indicating a high level of satisfaction and repeat business, 1 and 2 for après-glace. Cleaning and maintenance are straightforward, with the slippers being fully machine washable. Users recommend washing on a gentle cycle with cold water and air drying to maintain the integrity of the materials. This ease of care is a significant advantage over slippers that require hand washing or special treatment, particularly for users who value convenience and hygiene. 1. Customer service and after-sales support are also mentioned positively, with the product being designed and quality inspected in the United States and backed by US-based support. This provides additional peace of mind for buyers who may need to address sizing or quality issues after purchase. 5. In summary, the RockDove Men's Original Two-Tone Memory Foam Slipper is a strong contender in the affordable slipper market, offering a combination of comfort, practicality, and style that appeals to a wide range of users. The memory foam insole and breathable upper provide a high level of comfort, while the sturdy sole allows for versatile indoor and light outdoor use. The slippers are easy to clean, vegan, and available in multiple colors, making them a flexible choice for many households. Potential drawbacks include sizing inconsistencies, moderate durability with heavy use, and a fit that may not suit everyone, particularly those needing more structured support or secure heel grip. However, the overwhelmingly positive feedback on comfort and value for money makes these slippers a recommended buy for most users seeking a cozy, easy-to-wear house shoe. If you are considering purchasing the RockDove Men's Original Two-Tone Memory Foam Slipper, be sure to check the size chart and consider sizing up if you have wide feet. For those who have already tried these slippers, please share your experience in the comments to help others make an informed choice. The link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. Based on extensive user feedback and expert analysis, the RockDove Men's Original Two-Tone Memory Foam Slipper stands out as a practical, comfortable, and affordable option for everyday home use. It is especially well suited for those seeking an easy slip-on machine washable slipper that provides warmth and cushioning. While not perfect for everyone, its strengths in comfort and convenience make it a popular choice for many households. Your feedback is valuable, so if you own these slippers, please leave a review to help others in their search for the perfect pair.